Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to send voice message in Line app. First thing you do is open up your Line app, and at the bottom here we have home, chat and calls. So tap on chat, tap on the account you want to chat with, and then you tap on the microphone icon at the bottom right. So give Line permission to record audio, and also give Line permission to make and manage phone calls. You can now record by tapping here. So you tap on it and then you start making a recording, blah 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 blah. Hello, Merry Christmas, I'm Santa Claus, and then you tap on send once you're through. Now let's see, that's it, it has been sent. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to send voice messages on Line app. So let's see if we can. Okay, we press down on the audio. You can keep it as a memo, delete it or send it, share or capture. It's as simple as that. Let's see the capture. Tap on capture. Let's see what happens. Okay, just to take a picture of the voice message. You can save it or you can save it, you can share it. Alright, that's it. It has been saved. Hope you found the video helpful on how to send voice message in Line app.